Alright, so today we're going to be learning about thermite. Now, basically thermite is an extremely exothermic reaction that happens between aluminum powder and iron oxide most of the time. There's many other variants, but those are the most two commonly used. Thermite can actually burn up to 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty hot. It's enough to melt steel. That's why they usually use it in the railroading industry to joint two railroad rails together through thermite welding. The military actually uses this in a thermite grenade that they have. They add in barium nitrate, which I believe makes it burn faster and more of an explosive. Okay, so now the recipe for your thermite is a 1-to-3 ratio, by meaning 1 part aluminum powder to 3 parts iron oxide. So if you just translate that over, that'd mean 1 gram of aluminum powder to 3 grams of iron oxide. So we'll get going ahead on that. If we do some quick ratio math, we can determine that if we have 72 grams of the iron oxide, then we would want 24 grams of aluminum powder. So once we get these all mixed up, it'll be ready to go. Now we have our 24 grams of that, so we'll just dump all that in. And get it mixing. So I figured the first thing we had tested on are these old chemistry goggles that I found. I don't know what happened there. I don't know who that happened to, you know. I wouldn't know that guy. Alright, so now basically what we have going on here is two 16 gauge pieces of sheet metal, and we're going to see if we can't melt through these. Now what this is here for, this little disc ring thing, is to keep all of the molten metal contained. Hot. Kind of sad though, it didn't even get through 2 layers, but both of the sheets are red hot. So check that out. That's what we beat out of the little casting, and check it out. It's magnetic. That's a nice little pool of iron in there.